Hello, and welcome to today's Focus on the Test mini lesson. Welcome to all of our subscribers, and thank you very much for joining us. Also to our students, continue the excellent progress that you're making, and remember that your labor is not in vain. It will pay off in the end. If you're an adult seeking to earn your high school credential, be sure to check out our website at www.yourpathforadultlearners.com, where you can learn more about our online GED and HiSET program. So now on to our lesson for the day. Here's what a test item may look like. If y equals 3ab plus 2b squared, what is y when a equals 2 and b equals 2? Here are our 5 options. We have a equals 8, b equals 12, c equals 20, d equals 22, and e equals 32. So now let's get on to our lesson. From our family to your family, your path would like to wish everyone a happy Easter. So now in order to solve this particular problem, you want to make sure that you take note of the information that is given to you, and you want to be clear on what the question is asking you to do. And you would do that in any problem that you're attempting to solve. So in this particular case, we have the equation y equals 3ab, and when we have variables together like this, we know that we're being asked to multiply. Plus 2b squared. What is y? So now we know that we need to find the value for y when, and we're being given the values for both a and b. And we know that the value for a is 2, as well as the value for b is also 2. So now we're going to take our values and we're going to insert them into our equation here so that we can find the value for y. So now when we do that, we have y equals 3. We know that the value for a is 2. And we also know that the value for b is 2. We're going to put them in parentheses because we are multiplying. We're going to add 2 times the value of b, which is also 2, and then we're going to square it. So now that we have our values inserted, all we need to do now is solve for y. We know that 3 times 2 will give us 6, times 2 will give us 12, plus 2 times 2 is 4, but we need to square this 2 here, which then will give us 2 times 2 is 4. So now 2 times 4 will give us 8. And then when we add the 2, we get the value of 20. So we know that y equals 20 in this case. So we can come over here to our options, and we see that option C is the correct choice for solving this equation. So good luck testing. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification button down below so that you're notified on our new releases. Also, join us on our other social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.